Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a tag on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you started adding tags to different tasks on Asana. How do you actually go ahead and change the color of a tag on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, go ahead and click on the tag which you want to go ahead and change the color for. So let's take this YouTube tag. Now in the upper left-hand corner, go ahead and click on Actions, then scroll down to where it says Set Color, and let's change this to red. So now we've changed the color of this tag on Asana. So if you go back into My Tasks, you can see that the tag is now red. If you go back to Home, you can see that the YouTube tag specifically has been changed to red. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the color of a tag on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.